What's up guys, Zilla Trades here with a brand new video. Will gold hit $5,000 anytime soon? I think yes, and I will explain exactly why. For that we gotta look into the data, because as you know, tomorrow the NFP will come out. So here I have the chart of the last couple of months, the NFP data that has come out, and it showed that the labor market was cooling a lot, and this meant they were inclined to cut the rates again, right? Exactly as we predicted. But what is coming next? Well, I think the labor market will keep on cooling until we reach negative NFP numbers, like in the past, in the 2001 crisis and in the 2007 crisis. So we will probably see this going down further, but there's a big but, because I think that the September payrolls will be much higher than the October payrolls, because the October payrolls will probably be very low. And we could look at this other chart that I have for you. On this chart we can see from the Challenger data that in October 2025 there were 153,000 layoffs, and those numbers exceed the numbers in the pandemic and the last global financial crisis. So what does this mean, guys? This means that October, the NFP of October, is going to be very, very bad. And when do we get these numbers? Guys, I don't know yet. We still need to find out exactly when we get those numbers. So for me, I highly think that gold will be hitting 5,000 in the next 4 months. That's a max. In maximum, I think it will hit definitely 5,000. So why do I think that gold will hit 5,000 or even more than 5,000? Well, let's look at this chart. On this chart you can see the dot plot, that's what's called in the jargon of the economist, but it's basically what the Federal Reserve is expecting in the future. Are they going to cut rates or not in 2026? And as we can see on this chart, we clearly see that they are going out on the basis of 3% interest rates in 2026, and that's gonna be the base rate, as they call it, for the next couple of years. So we are currently on 3.75% interest rates, and that should go down by 0.75%. Guys, I don't know if you know exactly how big of deal this is, but the last couple of months you saw gold rally almost 20%, and that was only because 0.5% was cut in total. So can you imagine what will happen if the Federal Reserve will cut 0.75? Well, in the worst case scenario, guys, I could see gold reaching 6,000 because of the data that I have and the calculations that I made. So make sure to keep on the hope that gold is going up, and make sure to keep those trades inside for the long term. Make sure to buy also some physical gold, so you can keep yourself safe against inflation. As you know it, guys, this was the video. I hope you guys learned a lot, and see you guys on the next one. Ciao.